Well, good morning. It's Friday, the 13th of November. We are not superstitious, so we will have a nice class. My dancers from the advanced class, we are complete today, eh? Wow. Sarah is the first. Show your face. Merel, Ezra, Fleur, and Isis. And we know our exercises. So we start with the left leg to the side, 3/4 foot, stretching, closing to the side. Rolling down second, coming back, closing. With the plié, coming back, closing, relevé, holding, demi-plié, stretching. Other side, then all the possible rond de jambes, from the front to the side to the front and close, from the side to the front to the side and close. Other leg, backwards, backwards, turning, stretching, hamstrings turned out, stretching, hamstrings, tailbones really to the front, and the last port de bras is relevé. It's slower than I told now, Paul. Okay, and 1, 2, take your rest. Stretch. Left leg to the side. 3/4. Stretching. Closing. 1. Rolling down second. Inside legs. Close. And out. Lifting the back. And up. Closing. Relevé. And demi-plié. Stretching. And right. And 2. Open the legs, Isis. Open the legs. And side. Rolling down. And out. Demi-plié. Stretch. And demi-plié, stretch, and to the front, rond de jambe, going up, keep your elbows down, and out to the front. Other leg, going up in your back, lower back is holding your whole upper body. And side, keeping the right pelvis, yes, up, out of your hip, and pull it out. That's better, Merel. Pull it out. Yes. And go. Turn around and go. 1, 2. Tailbone to the mirror. Hanging. And roll up. Not pushing your calves to behind. Hold them under your hips. And arms. Taking your body up. No shoulders, and going up. Up, going up. And opening in front of your ears. Allongé, demi, plié. Up, shoulders open. Okay. And the pliés starting from the first position. And 1, 2, 3, 4, opening and stretching, and 4 counts down, and 4 to go up, only 2 counts coming relevé, going forward to the back, back, the same long way, coming back, back, demi-plié tendu. In second, only 2 grand pliés, 4 down, 4 up, 4 down, 4 up, and balance. Holding the 4th position the same as the first, 5th position with a cambré en rond over 8 counts. So 2 is front, 4 is side, 6 is behind, opening, turning, and the whole story again. Breeze. Plié is linking, is all the things. And first, yes, linking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please, Paul. And 1, 2, up, and 1 and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opening the legs. And 2. Up and backwards. Open the elbows. Coming back. Demi-plié tendu side. 2 times grand plié. Fine. Bringing away. Go. Relevé, holding. The bar arm lowers, goes up. Stable in your back. Fine. So, fine, Sarah, your ankles. And going front, and 1, 2, and up. And going. Up, go. Coming back. Demi-plié tendu, and 1, 2, up, 1, 2, up, and into. Really look at your hands. To relevé, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and turn. Other side, and very quietly in first Ezra. Fine. Breathing. Opening, and 1, 2, up, 2. Go! Elbows. Coming back. And going 1, 2, 3, 4. Arm is down and up. Holding. And hold your floating ribs in, and opening from the hip, from the hip. One, 2, 3, 4. Front hip, front leg. Holding. And going, and really a continuing story of the pliés, and going and going and going.